Introducing the 2019 Armada Platinum, which offers captain's chairs package that includes seating revised from 8 to 7 passengers, second row center console with padded armrest, second row captain's chairs. This is Long speaking from Jackie Cooper Nissan, sales specialist here, and I'm gonna share with you a couple of things that you may be interested. The Armada also offers 2 LCD row monitors in the rear, 2 wireless headphones. Now, in terms of safety features, the Armada also offers intelligent blind spot intervention, blind spot sensor, intelligent forward collision warning systems, intelligent lane intervention, lane departure warning, intelligent lane intervention, lane keeping assistance, and left side camera. This 2019 Armada MSRP starts at $66,010. If you're buying this month, you will get a total of $9,365 off the MSRP price, which drops the price to only $56,645 plus dock fee out the door. Guys, if you have any questions, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.